Let's be real. Most of us were never taught about how money actually works. Sure, we learned math, history, and maybe even how to file taxes. But did anyone teach us how to build real wealth? That's where Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki comes in. Since its launch in 1997, this book has quietly flipped the script for millions. And in a country like India, where financial literacy is still finding its feet, Kiyosaki advice couldn't be more relevant. So let's break down 7 powerful money lessons from the book that could totally change how you think about wealth. Hi, welcome to holisticinvestment.in, where we simplify personal finance concepts for individual investors like you. So lesson number 1, the wealthy don't work for money. Kiyosaki puts it bluntly. The poor and the middle class work for money. The rich have money work for them. So what's he saying here? It's about shifting your mindset from earning a salary to building income streams that don't depend on your time. Investments, real estate, dividends, royalties. Letting your money make money is how the wealthy stay wealthy, even when they are not working. Lesson number 2, financial literacy is absolutely essential. So here's the truth. Our schools don't teach us about money. Kiyosaki saw this as a huge gap. That's why he believes financial education should come from parents, mentors, and real life experiences. In India, especially where most people rely on fixed deposits and traditional savings method, imagine the impact if we started teaching how the stock market works, what a mutual fund is, and how debt can hurt or help you. Financial literacy isn't a luxury, it's a life skill. Lesson number 3, focus on acquiring assets, not liabilities. Here's a game-changing quote from the book. An asset puts money in your pocket. A liability takes money out. So let that sink in. Kiyosaki urges readers to build asset columns, things that grow in value or generate income. Stocks, mutual funds, rental properties, businesses, not luxury cars, not expensive gadgets, not EMIs for things you don't need. Why? Because real wealth is built through accumulation of appreciating assets, not lifestyle inflation. So lesson number 4, keep thinking and focus on your own business. Kiyosaki isn't saying quit your job tomorrow. He's saying don't stop at your job. Build something on the side. Start small if you need to. A freelancing gig, a YouTube channel, a small online business, anything that builds an additional stream of income. This pushes you to think like an owner instead of just an employee. Isn't that how real wealth and freedom are created? Lesson number 5, taxes, financial planning, and the power of corporations. So here's a truth bomb that most people miss. Earning more isn't enough. Keeping more is the real game. Kiyosaki explains how the wealthy use corporate structures to legally reduce their tax burden and protect their wealth. They write off business expenses, reinvest profits smartly, and pay tax only on what's left, not on their entire income. It's not how much money you make, it's about how much you keep. So why not learn how money flows after you earn it? That knowledge alone can be worth lakhs. Lesson number 6, focus on growing, not just earning. Job security meant everything to my educated dad. Learning meant everything to my rich dad. This quote nails the difference in mindset. While most people chase promotions, Kiyosaki encourages building skills like investing, selling, managing, negotiating. The goal? To become more valuable, not just better paid. Because when you grow, your earning capacity grows with you. And that's something no market crash can take away. Lesson number 7, conquer fear and embrace smart risk taking. Let's face it, most people avoid investing because they are scared of losing money. But as Kiyosaki says, losers are people who are afraid of losing. He's not promoting recklessness, he's talking about calculated risk, taken with confidence and education. Building wealth means getting comfortable with discomfort, understanding your risk, and then acting anyway. In a fast changing Indian economy, this mindset is exactly what separates the financially free from the financially frustrated. So what is the final takeaway from this video? Your mindset is the ultimate wealth multiplier. At its core, Rich Dad Poor Dad isn't just about money, it's about thinking differently. It teaches us that wealth is built by design, not by default. Financial freedom starts with education, not income. And anyone, yes, anyone can do it. So, if you have ever felt like money is confusing, intimidating, or just out of reach, know this. The first step is believing you can learn it. And if you want help building your own path to wealth, click the link in the description to schedule your free consultation with one of our certified financial planners today. And if you like this video, give it a like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. So, thank you for watching.
You can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.